I was once told by an acquaintance that there is a wonderful place away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life where you can find great sales of various apparels, shoes, even chocolates and candies all year round. More than 100 international brands are here offering you their season's collections. Your visit will take you on a stroll through every corners and winding alleys of this small secluded area, populated exclusively by highly renowned and popular brand name stores. So if you're around the border between Germany and France and are not sure if Roppenheim style outlet should be included in your itinerary, keep watching because in this video, we will know more about Roppenheim style outlet. The small town of Roppenheim has become famous for its new outlet center. The Style Outlets is an open-air shopping center situated on the border between France and Germany. Designed to resemble a traditional Alsatian village, the small houses turned into stores with their colorful facades and the beautiful central fountain that contribute to the true sense of well-being and help you unwind. The loudspeakers attached outside the walls of the stores providing great choice of pleasant music, keeping the shopping grounds atmosphere alive. Shoppers can find a variety of items including men's, women's and children's fashion, accessories, sporting goods and home furnishings with great discounts from 30 to 70% off from their regular prices. The center also offers amenities such as free Wi-Fi throughout the center. Simply log into the Style Outlets Roppenheim domain and visit center's website. There is an ample parking space and a bus station for the commuters. Inside the shopping village are dining options, including restaurants and cafes where you can sit and taste some of the best local international cuisines. In case you're a foreigner, you are lucky enough to be entitled for tax exemption. You can claim a tax refund upon presentation of your passport and receipt. The tax exemption can be up to 12%. For those with a sweet tooth and lovers of ice cream and other sweet delicacies, a visit to Haribo and Inspirations or Fort Venga, the famous Alsatian gingerbread maker, is an absolute must. The outlet is easily accessible with ample free parking available. It's located near major cities like Strasbourg, Rastatt, and Baden-Baden, making it a convenient stop. The outlet boasts a well-designed, clean and modern environment. Its open-air layout resembles a charming village, creating a relaxing and enjoyable shopping atmosphere. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, choose!
Mm-hmm.